NIO stock has gone down a lot lately to under $30. Therefore, people are wondering what to do now. In this video, we're going to talk about why NIO is falling to under $30. What are they planning right now? Their expansion plans beyond China. Is there a big rally expected in the stock? And at the end, my perspective if this is a good time to buy, sell, or wait. Hi, my name is Sunny, and I make videos that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button, as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which will be highly appreciated. This EV maker's stock has gone down to almost $28 a few days ago, which is over 35% down ever since China's crackdown on US listed Chinese companies. Recently, SEC adopted amendments to its regulation under Holding for Companies Act, where they can delist defaulters who fail to get the audit reviews done for 3 years in a row. The bone of contention is Chinese regulators are not allowing such audits for their local companies even though they are listed abroad. There is no denying the fact that this has put additional downward pressure on the stock. Some experts are of the opinion that its valuations is still little bit stretched, which is much less now as compared to what it was a few months ago, since it has dropped a lot since then. It is a common knowledge they intend to venture into Norway first, which in a way could be their gateway into the huge lucrative European EV market. They intend to next venture into Germany and the Netherlands toward the middle of 2022. During their annual NIO Day event in China, they have laid out a roadmap for further expansion into about 25 countries and regions around the world by 2025. Recent multiple job postings were added online suggesting their expansion into the most sought after market, the United States. They announced being the first Chinese company which received the UN certification on cybersecurity, which is a major global regulation in regards to cybersecurity widely used in EU and the UK. NIO is now partnering with Shell to expand their supercharger and battery swap networks, which is a must if they want to expand beyond big cities in China and abroad. Broadly, there are two schools of thoughts regarding NIO. First, who think it is undervalued at about $30 and they are in the buying mode, while others still think it being a Chinese company, apart from being overvalued, carries a geopolitical risk of delisting. On their NIO Day, they have shown a mid-size sedan with possible driving range of 1000 kilometers on a single charge, priced close to $40,000 with battery swap, along with their soon to be introduced autonomous driving capabilities at subscription fee of about $100 a month. This could be a game changer for NIO, as they could now be competing with Tesla's Model 3 that is being built out of Shanghai. On top of everything, People's Bank of China is planning to have a loose monetary policy to encourage local economic activity, which could act as a boost to the new EV buyers. That is why some of the experts are of the opinion that they, being the largest Chinese EV maker, will benefit immensely from this boost, hence will bump up their revenue, which will be reflected in the increased stock price eventually. In my humble opinion, there is no comparison between Tesla and NIO because Tesla is miles ahead of the competition, even though NIO being the distant second and is making rapid progress while trying to close the gap. The geopolitics as well as the regulatory risk will remain for them. That is the reason its valuations are not at par with their Western counterparts. Now, another big issue, the delisting. According to the SEC rules, delisting could happen only after 3 years of non-compliance, and I believe in today's modern world, lot of things can happen in that time frame. Chances are Chinese could bend a little bit to accommodate, since they will not let their homegrown EV champion suffer. So this delisting does not bother me too much, at least in the short term. But nevertheless, there is some risk that needs to be accounted for. That is why NIO is the only Chinese stock I have in my portfolio, and its weightage is much less than Tesla merely because of this reason. In my humble opinion, at less than $30 a share, there is some money to be made in long term because their sales are expanding, churning out new models and technologies while trying to expand to the new markets abroad. So it is a matter of time. NIO might look somewhat attractive to certain group of investors in $30 to $40 range shortly. So why wait for that time when its financials catches up with its valuations and one fine morning we realize it is now $50? But that is me, I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing, as I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. This is my take on the topic. NIO, $30, buy now? If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.